In this video, we are going to talk about how to get help in Microsoft Excel. The number of functions and their exhaustive capabilities gives you the power to do so many things in Microsoft Excel. However, from time to time, you will find difficulties in applying a specific function. For example, we've opened the worksheet and we don't know how to apply product function. So what do we do? Under the formula function, go to the insert button, first click right here product, but you don't know how to apply this formula. Just seek help on this button by clicking. Just click, single click will be enough, and a web page will appear. Here you get description about this specific function, how to apply this function, even an example. So everything will clear by reading a simple page. There are so many functions and you can easily get help on these specific topics. That's it. Thank you.